Hi everybody, today we are going to discuss about how to draw a grape fruit using the Illustrator. That is our today's class. So let's see how to draw using Illustrator. So now I am going to choose a geometrical shape round. So just I am going to trace that shape what is just I am tracing. So you want to trace what that shape is in original. You want to do that in tracing. So that is very important. Why? Because then only you get that grape look like original. So another thing is you want to change that lighting also. Then only you want to show that difference in the lighting. So only you can then only you can manage that lighting effect. In front of the fruit you want to show that brightness, and in back side you want to show that shadow like feel. So only you can emboss that you can show that whatever it. So this is very important to do. Finally I finished my grapefruit. Here you want to see two things. One is how to draw, how to trace, and another thing is how to give a gradient. That is most important. Then only you can differentiate that shadow and lighting field in grapefruit. So you want to give much more important gradient and tracing. So finally I finished my drawing. Now I am going to trace upper part of the fruit. So finally everything is okay, I think so. So here I finished my drawing. Now remaining part is that stick. We want to trace that also, then only we get that original. So now I am going to create new layer and just I am going to trace that top of the stick. So finally I finished my drawing. So today's class you learned somewhat how to draw the grapefruit using geometrical shape tool, and how to give gradient color using a gradient palette, and how to give shadow. That is very important for drawing lighting and shadow. So then only you can get that original grapefruit, look like original grapefruit. So if you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask me through YouTube channel. So thank you, bye bye.